The owner of ABK channel in Meghalaya today apologized to the producer of Khasi film Shaei, P.K. Shulet and members of Meghalaya Filmmakers Association for violation of copyrights law by uploading the film on YouTube without the owner's permission. The owner of ABK channel burst into tears at the Sardar police station in Shillong as he admitted his mistake and also for his ignorance for the central broadcasting laws. The producer of the Khasi film filed an FIR with the police when his film was uploaded in the YouTube channel. Sensing the impending danger that he was being investigated by the police, the owner of ABK channel later on removed the film from YouTube. The owner of the channel, who pleaded before the media that his name should not be published, surrendered before the police and also admitted that he had made the biggest mistake. The wrongdoer escaped the stringent penalty of 6 months imprisonment and a fine of rupees 3 lakhs when he begged for pardon, which was accepted by the producer of Shaei along with all those involved in the production of the film. Speaking to the media, the owner of ABK channel said that he has not made any profit by uploading the film in the YouTube channel.
Producer and the owner of this film Shaei that I have uploaded in the YouTube channel. So and also I want to say sorry from all the viewers for my mistake that I have uploaded this movie in the YouTube channel. And also I send a message to all the YouTubers before if you want to upload any song or any movie, please get the permission first from the owner, not just to upload without any permission.
The producer of Shaei, P.K. Shulet, warned that from now onwards, all those involved in the film piracy will have to bear the consequences of 6 months imprisonment along with a fine of rupees 3 lakhs.
Don't you shoot give music video ki wei ki aru ham tam ba kila kata ya kan ka film jonga ta de hata ko por begina ka sing ni perkat ka ju jung mot ko wei ka jung mot ba ni de ban ai sin dan ka FIR te ne ka sing ni la rai ba da ko wei ka jung mot ban ai no da ka FIR ha po police station but adin begina ai FIR ha po police station but kene ka jing ai FIR jong ni klamin ha pot ko por te ini try jong ka ABK channel iba upload ya kana film jong ka Shaei mai ilawan pendam hi tana de hang ni hapo police station pat hadin nang ta ki pulit kala pentip yang ni te hadin ba ngila wan hang ni ngila kendu ngiwan ka seng te hadin bala ekran bar ini try jong ka ABK channel ni sungthu ba ila le ya kana kam ha ka jing bom sungthu jong i but ila kubur ro ba ka de ki jing bakla jong i te haju ko por la pan map ya kane ka kam bi la le te pravrio ngi sngo angi de ban map iwe namar ba khantam ngong de kunna bom dan kam dan jam andre haju ko por angi ko apun ku tiuro ya ki we pas mo bha ko jule ko kani kam namar ba kumala batai we dekat jongi le ba kane jing sha kini ki kam pula bangat ha kendon kada le kum kini ki kam ban kini ya ka hok jong ki we namar om tangga jin sha set along ka ba nru banai ada hap siuru ya fine ka ba lailak ka ai kani ka jingle nambar bangila lak ka sen ko kon kong bat ngila ma andre ha ku ko ni fa ban ong kum neru ba ka seng ka nama nane sha khamat satya ka nama darangidang lap shu ya ki bale ni kam.
The president of Meghalaya Filmmakers Association, Commander Shangplyang, exhorted the people of Meghalaya not to view those Khasi films uploaded in the website or YouTube, as many of them do not get the permission from the producers.
We find that, the non-development coming up, the non-flourishment of the filmmaking in the state is due to piracy. So now, time and again, we have been requesting the general people not to do any piracy. See, I'll tell you one thing. Even in this cyber cafe also, for example, this gentleman who uploaded the movie, he's telling that he's buying at the rate of 20 rupees per film, and he uploaded in the YouTube. So we would like to request the general public, so do not indulge in any piracy activities, because there is a law which he can be jailed for 6 months and with a fine of 3 lakhs. So we request all the general public, so please do not involve in any piracy activities. We would like again to request the general public to kindly come and support the Khasi film industry by watching either in the theater, in the cinema hall, And moreover, sometimes we used to go to villages for screening in the community hall and all due to the non-available of cinema hall. So we request them to kindly come and support by watching there in the community hall and then in the theater in the cinema hall also. So please stop piracy.